想と現実に一石を投じて個性を磨け結界悩むなんだよまた一つ消去頭からケツまでそれが我がエンタメまだ信じないさ火を解いたじゃ間違ったバスでもっと舞い上がって Everybody put your hands up ソフィーライン翼になれ見てみたいな夢中になれる君夢が成長期新世界へ Everybody put your hands up ソフィーラインそのイメージできっとなれるさなりたい自分に探す希望は追い求め忘れかけた記憶の中でもう一度胸の高いを聞け
Thank you so much on behalf of University Drone Pilots for watching our 2021 recap. We did a lot of stuff this year and we hope to do a lot more stuff this year in 2022. If you are a student at any Texas university, you are allowed to apply to join our Discord. If you are a student at the University of Houston and are interested in joining our club, you can simply go to our website, uhdrone.org. We are offering officer applications this year, so please feel free to join us and apply. We'd like to give a huge thank you to Officer Brandon Carr of the Parent Police Department and to Director Lori Pokel at the University of Houston Police Department. We're actively looking for guest speakers, so if you're interested, please contact us. You can reach out to us via email or via our Facebook, Instagram, or Discord. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you flying with us.